Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1 2 3 countings. Red color, pink color, brown color, light blue color, neon color, black color, blue color and orange color. Let's start. Green color. 1. Number 1. O-N-E 1. Green color. 2. Number 2. T-W-O 2. Green color. 3. Number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Blue color. 4. Number 4. F-O-U-R 4. Blue color. 5. Number 5. F-I-V-E 5. Blue color. 6. Blue color. 6. Number 6. S-I-X 6. Orange color. 7. Number 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Orange color. 8. Number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Orange color. 9. Number 9. N-I-N-E 9. Red color. 10. Number 10. T-E-N 10. Red color. 11. Number 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Red color. 12. Number 12. Number 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Brown color. 13. Number 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. Brown color. 14. Number 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. Brown color. 15. Number 15. F-I-V-T-E-E-N 15. So kids, what we learned today? We learned green color, blue color, orange color, red color and brown color. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.